Ever felt like your bank account is a leaky bucket and you're just frantically trying to patch holes without really knowing where all the water's going? You see money coming in, but it seems to vanish into thin air, leaving you wondering, where did it all go? And more importantly, how do you stop it? We've all been there, right? The endless subscriptions, the forgotten trials, the little expenses that add up to a mountain of financial stress. It's a modern problem, isn't it? We live in a world of convenience, where everything is just a click away, but that convenience comes at a cost. And sometimes, that cost is your financial well-being. Now, imagine there was a tool, a digital assistant, that could help you plug those leaks, shine a light on where your money is actually going, and maybe even save you some cash along the way. That's where apps like Rocket Money come in. But here's the burning question. How much does it actually cost to get that kind of financial peace of mind? Is it worth it? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to break down the pricing structure of Rocket Money, explore its features, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right tool for you. First, let's establish what Rocket Money actually does. It's not just a budgeting app. It's a comprehensive personal finance platform designed to help you manage your subscriptions, track your spending, negotiate bills, and even build your credit. Think of it as a financial detective and negotiator rolled into one. One of its core features is subscription management. It automatically scans your linked accounts to identify recurring charges, allowing you to easily cancel subscriptions you no longer need or want. This alone can save people hundreds of dollars a year. Let's be honest, who hasn't signed up for a free trial and forgotten to cancel it? Rocket Money helps you avoid those costly oversights. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money provides detailed spending insights. It categorizes your transactions, showing you where your money is going each month. This visual representation of your spending habits can be incredibly eye-opening, revealing patterns you might not have noticed otherwise. And then there's the bill negotiation feature. Rocket Money claims to negotiate lower rates on your cable, internet, and phone bills. While this feature has mixed reviews, it's a potential money saver if they are successful in your case. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the cost. Rocket Money operates on a pay-what-you-think-is-fair model for its premium features. This is a bit of a departure from traditional subscription services, and it can be a little confusing. Here's how it works. Rocket Money offers a free version with basic features like expense tracking and subscription monitoring. However, to access the more advanced features, such as bill negotiation, custom categories, and advanced budgeting tools, you'll need to upgrade to their premium membership. When you upgrade, you are presented with a sliding scale, allowing you to choose how much you want to pay. The options typically range from $3 to $12 per month. Rocket Money suggests a monthly amount, but you're free to adjust it based on your perceived value and your financial situation. This pay-what-you-think-is-fair model has its pros and cons. On the one hand, it gives you flexibility and control over your spending. If you're on a tight budget, you can opt for a lower monthly fee. If you're saving a significant amount of money through their services, you might feel inclined to pay more. On the other hand, it can be a bit ambiguous. Some people might struggle to determine a fair price, leading to feelings of uncertainty or guilt. It's also worth noting that the free version of Rocket Money is quite limited. So, is Rocket Money worth it? The answer depends on your individual needs and financial situation. If you're struggling to manage your subscriptions and spending, or if you're looking for a tool to help you negotiate lower bills, then Rocket Money could be a valuable asset. If you're already a disciplined budgeter and you're not dealing with a lot of subscriptions, the free version might suffice. However, if you want to unlock the full potential of the platform, you'll need to consider the premium membership. When evaluating the cost, it's important to consider the potential savings. If Rocket Money helps you cancel unnecessary subscriptions and negotiate lower bills, the monthly fee could easily pay for itself. For example, let's say you're paying $10 a month for Rocket Money's premium features. If they help you cancel 2 subscriptions totaling $20 a month, you're already ahead. Or, if they successfully negotiate a $30 reduction on your internet bill, you're saving even more. Of course, there are no guarantees. Rocket Money's success in negotiating bills will vary depending on your provider and your location. And the amount you save on subscriptions will depend on your spending habits. It's also important to consider the user experience. Rocket Money's interface is generally user-friendly and intuitive. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and it integrates with most major banks and credit card companies. However, some users have reported occasional glitches and inaccuracies in the app. And as with any financial app, security is a concern. Rocket Money uses industry-standard security measures to protect your data, but it's always important to be cautious when sharing your financial information online. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Rocket Money comes down to your personal preferences and financial goals. If you're looking for a comprehensive personal finance platform that can help you save money and gain control of your finances, it's worth considering. Before you commit to a premium membership, I recommend trying the free version to see if you like the app and its basic features. This will give you a better understanding of how it works and whether it aligns with your needs. If you decide to upgrade, start with a lower monthly fee and gradually increase it as you see value in the service. And remember, you can always adjust your payment amount or cancel your membership at any time. Do your research, read reviews, and compare Rocket Money with other budgeting and personal finance apps. Consider your budget, your financial goals, and your spending habits. If you're looking for an alternative, there are many. Some examples include Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. Each of these apps has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth exploring different options to find the one that best suits your needs. Before you make a choice, consider these questions. What are your primary financial goals? How much are you currently spending on subscriptions? Are you struggling to manage your spending? Do you need help negotiating lower bills? Are you comfortable with the pay what you think is fair model? What is your budget for a personal finance app? Answering these questions will help you determine if Rocket Money is the right tool for you. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Apps like Rocket Money can be valuable tools along the way, but they're not a substitute for financial literacy and responsible spending habits. Take control of your finances. Explore your options. And make informed decisions that align with your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.